Learn con Tia Kayla.
Canta con Kayla. Hi friends, hola amigos. Today we're gonna sing Yo tengo una casita. I have a little house in English y en español. Yo tengo una casita que es así y así, que por la chimenea sale el humo así y así, que cuando quiero entrar yo golpeo así y así, me limpio los zapatos así, así, así. Yo tengo una casita mediana es así y así, que por la chimenea sale el humo así y así, que cuando quiero entrar yo golpeo así y así, me limpio los zapatos así, así, así. Yo tengo una casa grande, es así y así, que por la chimenea sale el humo así, así, que cuando quiero entrar yo golpeo así y así, me limpio los zapatos así, así, así. Great job! Now let's sing this in English. I have a little house, it is like this and this, and from the chimney the smoke comes out like this and this, and when I want to come and I knock like this and this, I clean my shoes like this and this and this. I have a medium house, it is like this and this, and from the chimney the smoke comes out like this and this, and when I want to come and I knock like this and this, I clean my shoes like this and this and this. I have a big house, it is like this and this, and from the chimney the smoke comes out like this and this, and when I want to come and I knock like this and this, I clean my shoes like this and this and this. Great job! Muy bien!
Learn con Tia Kayla.
Let's match the houses. Over here is a small house. Where does the small house go? Over here? Great job! Let's clap to match it. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Clap, match. This is a medium house. Where does the medium house go? Over here? Great job! Let's clap to match it. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Clap, match. Good job! Over here we have a big house. Where does the big house go? Over here? Great job! Let's clap to match it. Do-do-do-do-do. Clap, match. Great job! There's a small house, casita or casa pequeña. There's a medium house, casita mediana. And there's a big house, casa grande.
Learn con Tia Kayla.
Hi friends! Hola amigos! Yo tengo una casita was such a fun song to sing. Now, let's go over everything that we learned. Whoa! What's that? That's called a chimney or a fireplace. How do we say chimney in español? La chimenea. La chimenea. The chimney. La chimenea. Good job! So this chimney, what do people do to make it work? They put firewood and they make a fire. This is a fire. Fire in español is fuego. Can you help me chop some firewood for the chimney? Yes? Yes? This is how we say yes. Yes? See? Good job! Thank you so much. Whoa! Look at that! We got a piece of wood. Now I want you to put your hands like this, like we're karate chopping. And we're gonna go chop, chop, chop. Are you ready? ¿Estás listo? Ready? Put your hands up. Now chop, 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 chop. Go faster. Chop, 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 chop. Whoa, it's so fast. Chop, 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 chop. Wow, look at all the wood that we just chopped. let's count the pieces together in English y en español. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. En español. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Now let's gather all of our wood. Gather it, reach up and gather it. Yeah, we're getting all the wood. We're grabbing all the wood. We're gonna make a bundle. And now we're gonna put it in the fireplace. We're gonna put it in the chimney. And now an adult is gonna make a fire.
This is lighting a match.
Ready? Wow, look at the fire. What do people do around the fire? They can cook food. They can roast marshmallows. What else can they do? They can stay warm. They can stay warm and toasty around the fire. Warm and toasty around the fire. But don't touch it because it's very hot. Está bien caliente. Ooh, don't touch. Hot, hot, very hot. The fire is hot. El fuego está caliente. El fuego está caliente. The fire is hot. The fire is hot. El fuego está caliente.
Learn Kantia Kayla.
When there's a fire, the stuff that comes out is called smoke. Smoke. How do we say smoke in español? El humo. El humo.
From the chimney, the smoke comes out like this and this. Que por la chimenea sale el humo así y así.
If you notice, the smoke gets bigger and bigger each time. On the small house, the smoke goes like this. With your tiniest little finger on your hand, it goes like this in a little circle. How do we say smoke in español? El humo. So the smoke goes like this and this is this. El humo va así, así, así. Así, así, así. Like this, like this, like this. Now, when the house gets bigger, the smoke gets bigger too. So when it's a medium house, la casa mediana, the smoke comes out like this and this and this. Like this and this and this with our pointer finger. Our pointer finger. The smoke comes out like this and this. El humo sale así, así, así. Así, así, así. Like this, like this, like this. Así, así, así. Like this, like this, like this. And when the house gets even bigger, grande, the smoke comes out like this, like this, like this. Whoa! Can you do that? Like this, like this, like this. Así, así, así. The smoke goes out like this, like this, like this. El humo va así, así, así. El humo va así, así, así. Great job!
Learn Kantia Kayla.
When the houses change size, so does our knock. Let's do it together. Whoa, that's a small house. We're gonna do a small knock. We're gonna put our hand like this. You see that? And we're gonna go knock, knock, knock. A small knock for a small house. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. Golpe, golpe, golpe. Knock, knock, knock. Golpe, golpe, golpe. Good job. Gran trabajo. Now we have a medium house. We're gonna do a medium knock. We're gonna put our hand in a fist like this. And we're gonna go knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock on the door. En español. Golpe, golpe, golpe. Golpe, golpe, golpe. Golpe, golpe, golpe. Good job! Gran trabajo! Now we have a big house. Whoa, the house is so big. The door is huge. So we gotta do a big knock. We're gonna get both of our hands in a fist, like this. And we're gonna go knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. En español. Golpe, golpe, golpe. Golpe, golpe, golpe. Good job. Gran trabajo. Good job knocking on the small door, the medium door, and the big door.
Learn Kantia Kayla.
Can you rub your feet on the mat to clean your shoes? Let's do it together. Clean, clean, clean. Limpiar, limpiar, limpiar. Clean, clean, clean. Limpiar, limpiar, limpiar. I clean my shoes. Me limpio los zapatos. I clean my shoes. Me limpio los zapatos. Good job. How do we say clean in sign language? Like this. Clean. Clean. It's kind of like if you're wiping something off. Wiping off. Clean. Clean. When something is dirty, how do we say dirty? Like this. We wiggle our fingers underneath our chin. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. It's dirty. This is how you say shoes. My shoes are dirty, so I clean them on the mat. My shoes are dirty, and I clean them on the mat.
All clean. Zodo limpio.
Good job!
Learn Kantia Kayla.
We learned so many new things. We learned how to say small, medium, and big, pequeño, mediana, grande. We learned how to clean our shoes, limpiar nuestros zapatos. We learned how to chop wood for the fireplace or the chimney, la chimenea. And we learned about the smoke. We go like this with our little finger for the little house, like this with our pointer finger for the medium house, and like this for the big house. That was so much fun. How about we do the song again? This is how we say again, again, again.
Yo tengo una casita que es así y así, que por la chimenea sale el humo así y así, que cuando quiero entrar yo golpeo así y así, me limpio los zapatos así, así, así. Yo tengo una casita mediana es así y así, que por la chimenea sale el humo así y así, que cuando quiero entrar yo golpeo así y así, me limpio los zapatos así, así, así. Yo tengo una casa grande es así y así, que por la chimenea sale el humo así y así, que cuando quiero entrar yo golpeo así y así, me limpio los zapatos así, así, así. Great job! Now let's sing this in English. I have a little house, it is this and this, and from the chimney the smoke comes out like this and this, and when I want to come and I knock like this and this. I clean my shoes like this and this and this. I have a medium house, it is like this and this. And from the chimney the smoke comes out like this and this. And when I want to come and I knock like this and this, I clean my shoes like this and this and this. I have a big house, it is like this and this. And from the chimney the smoke comes out like this and this. And when I want to come and I knock like this and this, I clean my shoes like this and this and this. Great job! Muy bien!
Alright, well I'll see you next time. Bye-bye! Adios!
Forget to like and subscribe.